Four squares can join together with no gaps as shown. When shapes can fit together in this way, in a continuous pattern, they are said to tessellate. It is possible to form tessellations with more than one type of shape. An example of tessellation with hexagons and equilateral triangles could be as follows. The circle shows how the shapes fit together with no gaps to form a 360-degree angle. Questions 39 to 43 are on tessellation. 42. At every set of vertices within the tessellation below, what is the ratio of squares to triangles? This is quite a complex pattern or tessellation, so to help us we need to think about that 360-degree angle which must be formed by the tiles or shapes that we're using. So if we start by isolating one of the squares, like this, then you can see to that square I would need to add a triangle here, one here, and then a final square. By doing that, I'm creating that 360-degree angle. And as you can see, this is repeated. The pattern is the same. If I isolate another pattern or part of the pattern in the same way, I have a square, three triangles, and another square. So the ratio is always 2 squares to 3 triangles to create that 360-degree angle we require.